Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 4X, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first let's start with the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *##06#. And that's it. As you can see here, you've got both IMEI numbers dedicated to your device. And now if you'll go back to your home screen, we can open serial number and IMEI number through the settings. So at first we have to locate and open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. Then scroll down a bit and select Status. And here under IMEI information you will be able to locate both IMEI numbers for both SIM cards, and a bit lower you will notice serial number. And that's basically all, so you can quickly and easily locate both unique numbers. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.